to another edition of Rocket Stove Cooking with Walt and Constance. Constanza. We've got our rocket stove fired up, and here's our cook, Constance. Constance, what?
Start the pan here and get it hopefully medium-high heat for shrimp scampi tonight.
Sounds great, Constance. What else are we having?
I made a side dish of chanterelle mushroom risotto for a side dish earlier, which I normally don't serve risotto until it's just right off the stove, but because of the nature of this, the shrimp scampi is going to take less time, so the sides had to be cooked ahead of time. And then we're going to have some asparagus to go with it.
Tell us about the shrimp scampi. What's in it?
Well, the shrimp scampi is, I've got some Argentinian wild-caught shrimp. We've got Parmesan for the finish, garlic, unsalted butter, paprika, and some parsley. And white wine vermouth. And the shrimp is going to cook nicely in that concoction of butter, oil, and garlic.
What kind of quantities of shrimp are we talking about?
We're talking enough for 2 people, about nine large-sized shrimp.
They look delicious. How's that pan coming along?
It'll be a minute. You might want to, put it on pause.
How's that coming along, Chef?
Waiting for it to come to a boil. Needs to start bubbling, and then I'll add the garlic. Okay, I'm going to add the garlic now. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Still needs to come to a bit of a boil. And then we'll proceed with the rest.
Things are boiling nicely, Chef.
It's boiling nicely? Oh, wonderful. Okay, well, we're ready to put the shrimp in. Make sure this is not going to burn me. This is looking good. This is exactly what I want. Perfect. It's warming me up. It's 37 degrees outside, but that's great. Okay, here we go. Wild-caught Argentinian shrimp going in. 4 to 5 minutes. And I'll be flipping them in a couple of minutes. Time to flip the shrimp. You don't want to overcook them. They don't always cooperate, but it is what it is. Smells great. Okay, 2 more minutes.
Looks very good, cook. I think the nice little bit of wood smoke flavor will add to the taste of the shrimp.
We'll see. We'll see. They're coming along nicely. Perfect. So we're going to plate the shrimp now. I like using fresh parsley, fresh herbs if at all possible. It just seems to just make everything so vibrant and bright. I'm going to flip it onto the grass, but if I do, Julie always says, "Who's to know?" Okay, so the shrimp is plated. Pan sauce. Nice garlicky pan sauce over all the shrimp. And we're going to top it off with fresh Parmesan cheese. Voila! Shrimp scampi, 37 degrees, Rocky Mountain rocket stove.
Thank you, Chef.
Home cook.
Excuse me, home cook.